Let's say. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're taking a look at my new watch, which is the Garmin Instinct. This is a rugged GPS watch which is capable of both tracking and navigating in challenging environments. So pretty cool, pretty heavy duty. The watch is built to 810G military grade specification for thermal, shock, and water resistance. That's up to 100 feet for the water resistance. It does have the heart rate monitor on the back there. Also, it does have the same charging cable as my previous Garmin, which is nice. I don't need a new one. I do like the band. It has the two little band sleeves, or whatever you call these things. I don't know what you call them. So yeah, pretty good. Feels pretty heavy duty. It feels good. It feels solid when you're wearing it. One thing I do like about this, and that may deter some people from buying it, is not touchscreen. So my past 3 GPS watches have all been touchscreen, and it's fine in most cases, but in some cases I don't like it. My last one especially, water would set it off if I didn't lock the screen all the time. So anytime in the shower, it would just start doing crazy stuff. So I'm glad that this isn't touchscreen. You control it by these buttons on the side, and then you have buttons on this side as well. Battery life on this guy, 16 hours for GPS life. So far, again, I've only gone on 3 runs with it, but it's great. The battery life is great. I haven't charged it at all. As you can see, it's still at 50% basically, and that's after several days of use. So battery life much improved versus my previous watch. Definitely happy about that. So let's take a look at the screens that I have set up for running here. Screen 1, I have pace, speed, and distance, and heart rate. Screen 2, I have heart rate still there with timer, cadence, and average heart rate. Third screen, I have my heart rate zone. Fourth screen, I have my music controls for my phone. Fifth screen, I got time of day, average speed, bearing, and again, my heart rate. So that's how I have it set up for now. This may change. There's a lot of different data screens that you can go through, and I'm still kind of exploring and experimenting and figuring out what all I can do with the watch. Again, this is just my initial thoughts and impressions on the Garmin Instinct. I'll have a further review probably a couple weeks down the road, maybe towards the end of January after I've taken it out on some longer runs and stuff. Okay, so let's go and let's take a look at some of the built-in sports apps here that you have. So it starts with, and again, you can customize your list, but my list starts with trail run, walk, run, hike, bike, right? Those are my favorites, okay? Well, that does it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. We're definitely trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're going to have a giveaway when we do hit 1,000, so stay tuned for more information on that, guys. Thank you again. Till next time, take care.